Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search for Chatbot AI Nova and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova and you will click on this sign to update your app. So please don't forget to